Is mSpy on my phone? If you're worried that mSpy might be installed on your device, the real question is how can you detect it? And is there a better monitoring solution if you actually need one? That's where mSpy comes in. If you want to follow along, click the link in the description to sign up for a free trial. There will be exclusive discounts as well, but more on that later. mSpy is one of the most powerful and discreet monitoring tools available. Unlike other apps, it operates in 100% stealth mode, meaning it's completely hidden from the device owner. Once installed, there are no icons, notifications, or visible traces, making it virtually undetectable. But beyond stealth, mSpy offers full device monitoring, including call tracking, text message monitoring, GPS location tracking, and real-time updates. You can also track WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and more, plus access photos, videos, and browsing history. If you ever need assistance, mSpy provides 24/7 customer support, ensuring you always have help when needed. And with flexible and affordable pricing plans, you get premium monitoring features without breaking the bank. Before we continue, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more valuable insights. If you're looking for the most powerful and undetectable monitoring solution, mSpy is the answer. Click the link in the description, start your free trial, and see why mSpy is the best monitoring tool available.